Hi, Tony here again from Bathroom Spare Parts. Today we're looking at seat dampers. We're going to have a look at this GSI seat, but this refers to a lot of Italian manufacturers. Sometimes there's a few problems when you receive the seat. People have been letting us know that they're not sure how to align the dampeners or if they're correct. So hopefully we'll show you that. So the way to do it is to get the Allen key and loosen the grub screw so you can get this part in. Then you can put the connection in, and then look, you can lift the dampener, as you can see what I'm doing. Let it go through till it's level now with that dampener. So to fit the seat, it's easier for these dampers to actually be looking down. So you can see we can move them nicely down like that. Same with this one, put it in, move it down like that. Obviously we have a good stock of seats and spares for seats, i.e. the dampeners you saw me mucking around with earlier. So you can either go to bathroomspareparts.co.uk or you can go to choicereplacementtoiletseatshop.co.uk. Obviously you can contact our tech team as well. We're here to help. We've got specialists in toilet seats and that's all they deal with. So please phone in, you can utilise their expertise. They can help you out with installation problems via email or by the phone, whatever's convenient for you. Please get in touch.